Hey. Look, there's my little kitty. My little kitty, Sandy. She's just eating the catnip right now. She'll probably roll in it. She likes it. Now she's eating it. Though. She likes it too. My other cat, Smokey. I first didn't like it, but now she likes it. She's in the other room. Now, Sandy's about to roll. Do what you can do, Sandy. Do what you can do. Do what you can do. Roll on it, because you like it. The catnip is right there. Here, as you can see. She's just boop, boop, boop. So, yeah. I'll probably give her a little bit more. Oh, she's about to roll. You're slapping the bag, aren't you? Slapping. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, I'm about to put more on the ground for this one. Come on. There you go. Some catnip for Sandy Pandy. Sandy Pandy. Alright.